Hey everyone! So you have heard the buzz, right? Data analytics is booming. You open LinkedIn, job openings everywhere. Salaries look great, flexible roles, remote options, sounds perfect. But wait, before you take the leap into this world, there are a few things you absolutely must know. Not to scare you, but to prepare you. And trust me, preparation is half the game. So today, I'm sharing the 10 things I wish I knew before starting a career in data analytics. So let's go. Now, before we start the video, if you are a data enthusiast and want to stay updated with the latest trends in data, be it podcasts, cheat sheets, masterclasses, and so much more, then WS CubeTech has launched their WhatsApp channel. To be a part of it, check out our description for the link. First, it's not all about coding. A lot of people think that being a data analyst means you sit in front of a terminal all day, typing Python like some movie hacker. But nope, that's not the reality. Yes, you will use tools like SQL, Excel, Python, or R, but communication is equally, if not more, important. You're often telling stories with data. You need to explain insights to someone who does not understand numbers, maybe a marketing head or even a HR manager. So, if you are thinking, but I am not from the tech, that's okay. If you can learn to clean, analyze, and explain, you are already on the right path. Second is Excel is still the king, guys. Before you get lost in the sea of Power BI, Tableau, and SQL tutorials, let me break something to you. Excel is still go-to tool in so many companies. Pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, conditional formatting, and if you're good at these, you are already valuable. So before you rush to learn fancy tools, master Excel like you are a boss. It's your gateway drug to data. Third, SQL is non-negotiable. Think of SQL as Google of data analytics. You want an answer, you query it. Whether it's a startup or a Fortune 500 company, SQL is the backbone. You will be asked questions like what were the top selling products last month, or which customers bought twice but haven't returned. And guess what? You will find all these answers with SQL. So, yes, SQL is non negotiable. You don't need to be a database architect, just know how to write clean, efficient queries. Fourth, you will spend 70% of your time cleaning data. Here's a truth bomb, guys. Your data is never perfect. Never. You will be dealing with missing values, duplicates, typos, weird formats, and so much more. It's all messy. Think of it like this. Your data is raw vegetables, cleaning is chopping and washing before cooking. Tools like Power Query, Python, or Excel are great for this. So don't ignore data cleaning tutorials. That's where the real work actually starts. Fifth, storytelling is a superpower. You could be the most technical person in the room, but if you can't explain what your chart means, you won't make an impact. Dashboards aren't just pretty charts, they are decision making tools. So ask yourself, what is the story of this data? What decision does it influence? Practice storytelling with real life examples, sales trends, movies data, IPL stats, anything. Sixth, you don't need a data science degree. I have met amazing analysts who came from marketing, finance, journalism, even zoology. If you are curious, logical, and good with patterns, you already have DNA of an analyst. Boot camps, YouTube, and online courses are more than enough to get started. Build a portfolio that speaks louder than degrees. Trust me. Now, talking about online courses and building a portfolio there, WS CubeTech recently launched their data analytics mentorship program where you can learn data analytics skills like Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python, machine learning, and so much more. You will be working on industry projects and you will be learning from industry experts. So, if you want to be a part of this program, then the link to it is given in our description. Check it out now. Seventh, real projects beat certifications. Yes, certification can look nice on your LinkedIn, but recruiters care more about one thing. Can you solve problems? Take real data sets from Kaggle, government portals, or even your college canteen records and analyze them. Build dashboards, write blogs, share on LinkedIn, show that you can think like an analyst, and that's your golden ticket. 8. Start with one domain. Data analytics is huge. Healthcare, finance, e-com, sports, marketing, so much more. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start with one domain, maybe something you are already familiar with. If you have worked in retail, analyze retail sales data. Understanding business context is key. Data is just numbers without it. Ninth, tools will keep changing. So today it's Power BI and Tableau. Tomorrow it might be Looker or something completely AI driven. So don't get too emotionally attached to tools. Instead, focus on core skills, data handling, problem solving, analytical thinking. Those never go out of fashion. 10th, patience and consistency. You won't become an analyst overnight. There will be days you can't fix an Excel formula or a SQL join gives you a headache. It's okay. Give yourself time, stay consistent, practice a little every day. And trust me, if you do that, you will look back a year from now and say, wow, I actually did it. So there you have it. 10 things you should know before starting your career in data analytics. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon, but the journey is so worth it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and drop a comment telling me which point hit home for you the most. And if you're already on your data journey, I would love to hear your story in the comments. See you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and stay analytical.